What you doing, Kipper?
Hello, welcome back to Kipper. Again, we got a new project today. This week. We got this horse from a lady in Simi Valley. She sent it up to us and there was no base. So collaborated with SVG Ironworks down the street here. And I had them make this base here out of solid steel because the horse is quite heavy. So it's solid steel with this cool body twist going right up into a little frame they made for the bottom of the belly of the horse, if you like. So it's cradled onto this frame. And so it's getting screwed in, of course. I don't have it screwed in at the moment. But you can see our job was, again, to execute it all, make it happen. And so the client wanted the color of the hair to come on and into the base, which we did here, I think, wonderfully. Then she wanted to take the elements of the colors here and add them to these little ribbony parts of the base. So it's all kind of very whimsical, if you like. So it's very fun and happy when you look at it. The colors needed a bit of help around here. The neck was loose, so we had to tighten it down and use fillers to color it in. The horse looks happy today. I think he feels like he's been taken care of. I mean, I can twist her around and see what you think. You can see her here. There she goes, twisting her. There. Anyhow. It's not something we do every day, but we have to get out of our safety box and do something a little different all the time. And when I was seeing it, I wasn't very interested. But of course, once you work on something like that, you get totally into it and enjoy it. So I think the result shows that the horse is good and it's off trotting to its paddock and making some little girl's life happy. So if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up and thumbs down and send me to the lions if you don't like it. Thank you. See you next time around.